Hello, welcome everyone to Digital Mind. Are you looking out to create advertisement in Facebook and Instagram through Facebook Ads Manager? Then this video is for you. In this video, we'll be looking out on how to create advertisement effectively in Facebook and Instagram through Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get into the video. First off, you need to log into business.facebook.com and select your business from here, or else alternatively you can use business.facebook.com/ads/manager. So these are both the same pages, right? So here you click the ad account which you are using. You need to use the correct ad account from which you want to give the advertisement. So here click create over here, and these are the different campaign objectives in Facebook. That is brand awareness. Here when you hover over the information button here, you can get to know on what this ad will do. So this brand awareness, it will show to people who are more likely to remember the advertisement. So it's kind of the reach, kind of a reach advertisement, but to create brand awareness. So then comes reach. Reach is an ad that will show to maximum number of people. Like for example, if you keep 200 rupees budget, then it will show to like 30,000 people, like for in our 7 days time. So next is traffic. This campaign is to route the users to your website, and the engagement where you create Facebook page likes and post engagements like share, comment, and likes. So next is app installs. This is to drive up the application installs. Then video views. This is to increase the video which you have posted in Facebook or Instagram. Then comes lead generation, which is which is the most costliest website in Facebook and Instagram, I would say, right? But in Facebook and Instagram, when compared to other lead generation activities in maybe a LinkedIn, when compared to LinkedIn, this is cheaper. And from this lead generation, I have personally worked for my clients, and I have received good leads, good genuine leads for my business as well. And then comes messages. Here you can, this message will go to Facebook page inbox, right? Next is conversion. This conversion tab, this conversion campaign is purely for e-commerce, and this conversions, it is for e-commerce websites, either to buy either e-commerce or websites which has a payment gateway, like it could be a magazine subscription, or it could be things on online purchase, anything. So next is catalog sales. This is our Facebook catalog, right? So from the catalog you can sell the items. Next is store traffic. Store traffic is not available in many of the locations, but yes, and especially during this pandemic time, the store traffic will not work. So yeah, the store traffic is to drive traffic to the physical store. So now what we'll do is we will create lead generation, or we will create a reach campaign, right? So this is an optional field wherein you can give the a name for easy identification of your advertisement. So I'm writing example ad. The same I'm copy and pasting over here. So this is the heading, so that it comes over the ad set and the campaign name. So this is basically for easy identification. Like if you work for 2-3 customers, you can give their name, for example, company one ad and or company one reach or anything. It's totally up to you on what name you give there. Click continue. So you if you want to run this ad on a special category, you can click turn on this button. So this ad account is only an example ad account. I have not completed anything over here. So once you confirm the identity, you can run a special advertisement for real estate, politics, and there are real estate, politics, right? And this is bid type option. So there's only one over here. The campaign objective is reach, which we have selected, and more option, campaign spending limit. If you want to give your spending limit here, you can add that, but I don't usually give it here. What I do is I give on the ad set level of this advertisement. So A and B testing, if you have two or more, if you want to run two advertisement and test which is performing better, you can add that. Next is campaign budget optimization. I am turning this off because I'll be giving this budget in the ad set level. So I'm turning this off, right? Because I don't want to give my budget here, the daily budget, and I'll be giving on the next step. So click your Facebook page, whatever page you want to give the advertisement for, right? And select budget. This is the daily budget. I'm giving 200 rupees, right? So start date is today, and end date, I am either you can leave this blank so that your advertisement runs endlessly until such time you have the amount in the Facebook ad account. So I will set an end date, but it is better to keep end date for any ad you set, because it will be helpful to monitor the advertisement, and also check the performance, like how it is performing, like that. So I'm keeping it for 2 days, and and right, I'm writing 23, that is 11 p.m. right? So this is the estimated daily result of this budget. So once I increase the budget, like if I add one more zero, the budget will be increased like this. So yeah, so 200 rupees, this is the daily budget. Here I don't have any saved audience. You need to create audience first. You need to create a detailed targeting audience, and then you can save it for future use if you're going to use the same audience. And if you need to create multiple audience and try out various audience set to better know which audience works for your business. So I suggest, whenever you create an advertisement, you do for if you create an engagement advertisement, you create it for 7 days time with one set of audience, and run the same ad with different set of audience, right? And so that you get to know which ad performs better and which audience is giving you good result. So here, location, I am writing as Mumbai. It's a city, yes. And the radius I am giving is 20 kilometers. And age, I'm editing to like 27 to 60. Genders, I'm keeping it all men and women. Detailed targeting, these are some of the crucial things whenever you create an advertisement, because you know what best you can, what is the right audience for your business. if you have a if you have something that caters for the old age people, or if you have something that caters to the new generation, but it's better you keep, for example, if you have a school, and you want to target the parents of parents of students who are studying in fourth grade or fifth grade, it's better you select like 27 to 40, or I'd say 50, right? And both men and women, because you are targeting the parents. And detailed demographics, it is this is also one crucial part, that you need to select what is applicable to your business. Not that you want to, you want to get rich people, that you want to target a rich set of people, and you give all the luxurious item like Benz, Audi, because everyone will be liking the Benz, Audi pages. So it is irrelevant to give those kind of detailed targeting methodologies. So I would suggest you give education. For example, we are using a school, so I would suggest you give education, right? Education as interest, right? School, uh, private school. And next you can one important thing that you can add is parent. So parent, you'll have the demographics here. Either you can write all, but it is when you write all, it doesn't suit the purpose. Like parent with teenagers, or parent with preteens like 9 to 12, because 9 to 12 is the right age where a student will be studying in the fourth or fifth grade. So I'm giving parents with preteens. So like that you can add more detail, more audience to your you know this advertisement, and then click automatic or manual placements. If you have manual placement, there are many manual placements. You can either opt in or opt out from this audience network, because this is something that comes in between when playing in a game or application, something like that. You can you can opt out from Instagram, Facebook, anything. If you want to run the advertisement only on Facebook, you can select only that. If you want to select Messenger, you can give that, right? So these are all selected. Then there are video feeds as well, like this in stream videos. So when you use an image, then that video will be working better. So it's better to customize all the placement, all the advertisements in each placement. Next, so these are bid control. If you want to control your bid, like I would like to give only 0.50 paise for one reach, for 1,000 reach. This reach is actually calculated amount for 1,000 reach. 1,000 reach is what the Facebook calculates. For example, it costs around 2 rupees, or 1 rupee, or 2 rupee for 1,000 reach. What we can do is we can limit the bid control to 1 rupee, if at all you want to give that. But it is better to leave that leave this field optional, unless and until you are experiencing a high rate for this reach advertisement. So show more options. Frequency cap. Here you can edit the frequency cap, like this ad should be seen to the users like every 2 times in 4 days. Like in 4 days, the user will be seeing this ad twice. So this way you can create the frequency cap according to your vision, like how it should be, right? So next we will be selecting next, and this is where the next step is, where we give the uh, image or the creative part over here. So select Instagram account, right? And here you can give either a single image or video, or carousel ad. I'll give single image video. So I have an image over here, or else you can change the image from here, like account images, or pages images, or you can upload from here. So I take this for instance. So I keep the same image, right? So this is actually a text from your about section which we have given in the page. So edit that example text, right? And if you want to add a website URL, you need to click this right heading. But when you keep a reach advertisement, you need it is the best thing that you opt this, like add a website URL and give a heading for your advertisement heading. And the website is um, mywebsite.com. Okay, mywebsite.com, right? Okay. And here you can give a CTA, that is call to action button. But whenever you create an ad, it's better to give a CTA, a call to action button, because you are paying for the ad and you need to get the users to engage with your ad. Whenever you keep a CTA, that is call to action button, you actually, I mean, your users are actually is actually engaging with your advertisement by clicking any of these buttons. If you keep a download, like if it is an app application, you can keep download. And if it is a theater ad, you can get show times and send message. And you can even keep call now, wherein if you keep, I mean, if you give your phone number, the automatically, I mean, this phone number is automatically added from your page phone number. So if at all you want to change this phone number, you can give your own number, right? Okay. So yep. So this is how your ad will look like call now. Whenever the user sees the ad and it is interesting to him, he straight away click the call now, and then the call goes to the number which you have kept. But the goal of this advertisement is not a call. The goal of this advertisement is reach. So if you have a Facebook pixel setup, so you can set it up, that I'll teach you in another video. You can set it up and click that. So if you run any advertisement like engagement, anything, whenever you click the Facebook pixel, the Facebook gets to know what kind of audience that what kind of audience is visiting your page. So that way Facebook will get more insight on your page behavior and the audience behavior in your page. So it's always better to keep Facebook pixel check, and it's a good option to set up a Facebook pixel account. So once this is all done, we will select publish. Now this ad goes to review. I have not added the card here, so it won't go, right? So, okay, so I have not added the card here, so the ad won't be live anyways. So it prompts me for add a payment method. So anyways, so this is how you create the advertisement. So this is just an example example account. Um, so this is how you create advertisement through a Facebook ads manager. So if you have any doubt, or if you need any clarification, you can leave a comment on the comment box, or else you can directly message me on Instagram or Facebook, like, or even LinkedIn. So I'll be happy to help you on how to set the ad in through ads manager in Facebook and Instagram. So if this video is useful to you, please do like, comment, share, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Thank you.